Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. I'm Ali Kafoud. Today, inshallah, I will going to talk about the torque converter. Here we have a torque converter. This is the part that's came between the transmission and the engine, and they transfer all the power from the engine to the tires, from engine, transmission, drive shaft, and a diff. And now I will going to disassemble the torque converter, and we will see what it's going to come inside the torque converter. Okay, now after we remove all the bolts from the converter to open the covers, now we're going to disassemble. By the way, there is a two kind of converter. There is a bolt together. It's come with bolt to remove like a two piece, and there is the other kind. It's the welded one. It will weld. There's no bolt here. It will be like welded, and this is the one that you don't need to open it all the time to check it. You need to cut it. But this is the other option. There is a bolted. This what we use in race car. Race car, that means like there is when you need to change the stator inside the converter. It will be easier and faster. Okay, now after we remove to the parts, here we have okay, now we have, this is like 4 pieces we have. This is the main things in the torque converter. Here we have the covers. This is what is called the front cover. This will be from the engine side. Here it will be engine side, and here we have bearings. This one will be from only to provide the friction from cover and the umbrella. Here we have turbine. This is what we can see here. This turbine. This is what we can see here. The blades. We have many blades here, and this side. This is what it will turn the oil between the blades and to move that turbine. So move like this, and here we have the stator. The stator, it will move the oil. It will allow the oil to move from the transmission to inside. We can see like how is it. You can see this blade and this blade. This is by opposite way. And this, when the oil, it will come inside from the blade, and when it's moved, it will allow the turbine to move. You can see the oil will come inside from this one. It will move to the other blade. It will allow that one to rotate it. When it rotates, the oil will come from here, from this side to this side, to the envelope. You can see also it has a plate here. When this one is moved, the oil will come from inside. It will Same the blade. There is no anything between the blade and the stator. Only the oil will move that one. When this one is moved, it will move, and the oil it will transfer. It will allow the two sides to improve. When this one is improved, this one and this one, it will join with that one, and it will move. It will convert the motion from the engine speed to the transmission side. And this is what's called the impeller. This is the rear cover. This one, the shaft from the transmission, it will come inside, and it will move the motion from the engine to that shaft, what will hold here, this side, and it will go inside the transmission, from engine to transmission. And now we're going to close it again. To put the seals again. To make sure about the bearings from the two sides. Here we have bearings, and here also we have bearings. Okay, now after we put everything back together, we need to check the torque type for all the bolts to make sure it's ready to use it. I hope you get new information about new and clear information about the torque converter on this video. Thank you for listening.